If you are getting the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome on your iPhone, here are a few fixes. Check internet connection. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected properly. Now, try opening another website to check your internet connection. Still, it is showing an error. Disconnect VPN. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Check if any VPN is enabled. Turn it off temporarily. Scroll down a little bit and click on General. Scroll and look for the option VPN and Device Management and click on it. Now, turn off the VPN toggle. This will disconnect the connection. Now open Google Chrome again and check the website. Still, it is showing an error. Update iPhone software. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update. If any new iOS update is available, download and install it. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll all the way down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if asked. Confirm the reset option. This won't delete your personal data. After your iPhone restarts, open Google Chrome. This site can't be reached error should now be fixed, and that's it.